Gabriella, and on Friday it was my last day of school, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to be making more videos for you guys. Also, in 2 weeks I'm going to be going to the Washington School of Ballet Summer Intensive, and it's going to be really exciting. So I'm going to vlog that whole experience for 5 weeks, and it's going to be really fun. So yeah, I'm excited. So this video is going to be some cute, easy snacks for the summer. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's hop into the video. So the first snack I'm going to show you how to make is yogurt bark. I saw this on Pinterest and wanted to try it out. So first, cut all the fruit you want in your yogurt. I put strawberries and blackberries. Then take your yogurt and spread it on a piece of wax paper. You don't have to put a lot of yogurt, but if you want it to be really thick, put a lot of layers. Then put your fruit in the yogurt. You can make any design you want, like a heart or star, or you can just scatter them. Then put it in the fridge until the yogurt is hard.
'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Hey!
Next are parfaits. I love parfaits so much because you can have them at any time of the day. Cut up the fruit you want to use in your parfait. I use strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And I am also going to use granola. So get a cup or glass and put some yogurt in it. You can layer the parfait in any order. Next are tortilla pizza wedges. My mom came up with this idea, and now I can't eat pizza any other way. So get your tortilla, tomato sauce and cheese, and any toppings you want on your pizza. Cut your tortilla into 4 triangles. Then put tomato sauce on all the pizza wedges. And now add your toppings and cheese. Then put it in the oven until the cheese melts and the tortilla gets slightly brown.
Nice to meet you where you been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my.
Last but not least is a watermelon slushie or smoothie. I haven't decided yet.
If you want it, take it. I should have said it before.
Take some watermelon, coconut or coconut pineapple water, and ice, and mix it in the blender.
She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive.
Then keep adding watermelon and ice, and if you would like, add some lime as well. Then put the drink in glasses and add a lime in the drink. This is a perfect refresher after a long day.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what your favorite snack was. And if you made any of your snacks, tag me in the picture on Instagram or Twitter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!